Hey guys, this is how to download Davinci Resolve Studio on your laptop. First thing you need to do is just go to a browser and look for Davinci Resolve Download. And then once you're in the search page, just click on the first link you see from Blackmagic Design, which is Davinci Resolve, and scroll down until you find the free download now button. And right now, you're going to have two options, the DaVinci Resolve and the DaVinci Resolve Studio. DaVinci Resolve is the free version and the Studio version is the premium one. So if you have an activation key, maybe you bought a DaVinci Resolve product and you have a card that has an activation key, or you got sent an activation key by email, you're just going to download the Studio part and use the activation key to activate DaVinci Resolve. But if you don't have an activation key, obviously just download the free version. Now, to download it, just click on your operating system. So I'm using macOS right now, so I'll just click on macOS. And you're gonna have this form to fill, but you can just click on download only, and it will only download the file, the zip file for you. So I just clicked on that and it started downloading. So once it downloads, you can just open it up, enter the activation key, and start using DaVinci Resolve Studio. So, yep, that's about it. Hope that video is helpful.